Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. Do you have an iPhone? How often do you upgrade that iPhone? I didn't upgrade mine for a number of years, and then I started to upgrade year over year because they started adding features that I thought were going to be useful. I don't really use the iPhone as a daily driver, but I do use it, if only as a continuity camera connected to my Mac to act as a webcam that everybody seems to love on live.perillo.com there. Oh, sorry, I forgot to turn off my notifications. Not on an iPhone. The reason I'm asking you about this pattern of yours is because allegedly the next iPhone or series of iPhones, or at least a certain set of the series of iPhones that is forthcoming, may very well be $100 more expensive than their previous counterparts. So are you willing to spend $100 more on your next iPhone than what you might have spent in, let's say, recent years prior? Is that a huge impact for you? $100? Is that the breaking point for you? Like, you're just not going to do it? Like, you're not going to pay for an app that's 99 cents. You'll use the free apps all the time on a phone that probably cost you $1,000. But no, you don't want to pay 99 cents. But is $100 too much to spend? I mean, not to say that, $1,000 wouldn't be too much to spend on an iPhone. If you're getting the value out of it, if you appreciate what it is that you bought, if you wanted it, you're not making a bad decision. This is not a judgment. It's a question. Is that $100 more threshold, this inflation that seems to be going around, it's an epidemic, is that too much? Is that going to stop you in your tracks? Are you going to go with a lesser iPhone? Are you going to not upgrade where you would have prior? Does this really impact you all that much if you're, let's say, paying on a monthly basis? What's your situation? What are you going to do if it happens to be that it's $100 more than it would have been?